Hello, my beautiful friends. Today I'm here with another recipe and sharing a very authentic Hyderabadi chicken curry recipe with all of you. For this, I have one whole chicken cut into 16 pieces. While I was cleaning it, I just made some cuts into it so that all the marination will go very nicely inside the meat. And for this marination, I'll start with 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 and 2. Then I'll have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Over here, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of the coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon, or as per your taste, of salt. I'm gonna add all of this to my chicken. Marinate all of this and keep it aside for easily 1 hour. In the same marination, we'll add 4 tablespoons of yogurt, and I also like the taste of the black pepper, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper to the marination. Mix it well and leave it aside covered for 1 hour. In the meantime, you can fry golden brown 2 medium sliced onion. Fry them until they are golden brown. And over here, I'm gonna dry roast 12 to 15 almonds, 12 to 15 cashew. If you don't have cashew, you can use some walnuts. Chiroli, 1 tablespoon, and around 1.5 teaspoon of shredded coconut. I have to dry roast them and I'll blend them with half of this fried onion and make a paste. Quickly dry roasting the almonds, walnut, cashews, and shredded coconut. If you have sliced coconut, you can also dry roast it for a few minutes until they change a little bit of their color, and then blend it with the fried onion into a paste. After dry roasting them, just put them in a plate to get a little cool down, and make sure you are not burning the nuts, otherwise they will taste very bad. And then in a minute or two, we will just blend these two things to make a paste. So in this pan, I added half cup of oil. If you like, you can add a little bit less. And I just added the marinated chicken to it. Now I'm gonna cook it so the color of the chicken changes to light golden. In a bowl, I have added some strands of saffron with some milk diluted with water. It's like 4 tablespoons of milk, 4 tablespoons of water, and then some strands of saffron going into the curry. We're also gonna add the leftover onion, fried onion, which we saved while we were making the paste with the nuts. And now I'm gonna just mix it well and cook for another 10 minutes. Have a look how this paste of the dry roasted nuts and fried onion looks like. I'm gonna add this into the curry. It's been already 5 minutes that it's been cooking with the saffron and milk. After 5 minutes, I'm gonna add this to it. So this paste has been added to the curry. Now we have to just add half a cup of water and then let it cook on medium flame by covering the lid a little bit on the pan, cooking it until it looks all nicely done. While the chicken is being cooked for last 10 minutes, we have to have a look in between to see and stir it, mix it so it's not sticking to the bottom of the pot. Nice. Looks nice. There should be a little curry to it. So if you feel like you need to add some more water, please do so according to the masala which you grind. You can just add the water if it needs to be added. Give it a little mix, stir, and then yes, it needs to be cooked for 10 more minutes on medium flame. Let's cover it. Exactly after 10 minutes, we are gonna turn off the timer and have a look at, wow, it really looks nice. The oil has separated and has come up. We'll add some green chilies cut into half, and then I'll add some frozen coriander leaves to it. Frozen coriander leaves, and for the essence, I'm going to use Kevra essence. I have the water, which is less stronger than the essence. So I'm going to have 1 tablespoon of, I have this Kevra water. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Kevra water. If there is essence, you can add half teaspoon. Some people, they don't like the smell of the kevra, but this recipe needs the kevra essence or the water, so you can just add according to your taste. Give it a little mix and then let it cook on simmer for 2 minutes, and then you can turn off the heat. After 4 minutes on simmer, let's see how it looks like. Look how the oil has separated and the chicken looks cooked. I hate to see when the chicken leaves the bone, actually the meat leaves the bone of the chicken or any meat dish. I really liked it fully cooked but intact. So this is how, look at the pieces. They are all fully cooked. This is the consistency of the curry. As I told you, you can just let it cook on medium-high flame, let it evaporate, and get to the consistency which your family really likes to have. Otherwise, for my family, we have it with the rice, so we really like it that way. And it's great with taftan, naan, paratha, and rice. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. While everyone is home, try to make it, enjoy it with your family, and then keep watching our videos. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you watching our videos and enjoying it. Have a great week and stay safe, guys. Love you all. Goodbye.